Hello everyone. Today I am here to start my journey of LeetCode. So here is I am with question number 1, two sum. So I am starting from first question and trying to make regular videos on this. So my first question is two sum. This is basically an array based question. So we have to travel in array and find a target to find two indexes of array and sum that, and if the sum equals to the target, then we have to return this array's indexes. So this is the question. So we have just an array of nums and a target integer, just like this example. Here is an array and a example target. So we have to travel from 1 to till the end and find the indexes that, like this is 2 plus 7 is 9. So the index 0th and index 1st are the resultant array. So here we started with our code. So I am basically writing for mainly for n square complexity, because I am using two loops for brute for approach. So I am writing now code. First we have to take a vector, because where we see that answer is in the vector form. So we add a vector also. So in this we store our answers of that code. So starting with for loop 1. So okay, video is running nice. For the is a for loop in that is traveling for just we fix a one index, then checking with whole the other that if we found the so we return this. So the first loop will target one index, then the second loop will target remaining all. Oh shit. Wait a second, I want to pause that. So sorry, what is the problem? I don't know. So I fixed it. Then start again. For loop second is now running in j equals to 0. This loop is starting from I plus 1, because we don't need to check the previous one we checked in ith index. So we start from I plus 1 and will go to end. So j will go through nums end. Here we go, I plus plus, sorry, j plus plus. So here we write our condition if we meet the criteria, like nums ith plus nums j, sorry, nums j equals to target, then we have to just push this both index to the array of our resultant array. So we go to yara dot push back ith comma j with both are then push in this, and here from here we return this statement. So we don't have to move extra moves in this, so we get our complexity small. So return our array here, and if there is no answer of that, so we return the array null. So if no condition satisfy our question, so we return the empty array, so the answer is valid. So I don't think so it's have some problems. So try to run some test case. what is the fault? I will see this. The for loop is going from 0 I plus 1 till minus 1. Here we go. Now I'm sorry. Okay, it's running fine. So I will submit this question and check our complexity. It's basically n square complexity. Oh no. What is the problem in test case? Use this test case. What is the problem? I don't know. Just run it again. I think so. Nums j plus equals to target. Then you have to push. Okay, it's okay. I found a mistake. I just put I, so it is j plus plus. Sorry. Now we try it again. Yeah, that all test cases are passed now. Just resubmit this, and here we got our answer. Okay, we got 72 seconds, and beats memory is basically constant, but time complexity is n square. So I have a solution visualization. You can explain. I will explain that for you. Just a second. So 1 second. Okay, here is visualization. You can see it's code. Don't make go to code, just visualize the answer, how we get the answer. We just checking each index is ith and jth index, and if the sum is equals to our target, then we return this in our answer. So ith is basically from 0, and j will travel to whole indexes. So j start from our first index to last index, and it's checking whole sums. The 6 plus 12, 6 plus 6 is 12, but that is not equals to target. 9 plus 6 is not equals to target. So here it is basically traveling for whole indexes. And if the jth index will not find anything till the last, then the ith index will come to first index, then it will check it again. So increase the speed for some time. So now it's j will checking for whole numbers from here, from first index to j will travel from second index to tell last index, because ith on first index. This code is basically in JavaScript, but you should make sure, because both code are same, basically just a syntax changed, but main focus is on this. What is the answer, how it answer came. So it travels whole indexes and checking the sum is equals to or not equals to. So now the ith index will increase to 4, and I will just fast it. Okay, and from here, from third index we got our answer, from third index and seventh index we got our answer, the 9 target, but it is now traveling for whole indexes. So I will just skip that. Now here is this, the ith is on third index, that is 2, and the j is traveling, if seventh index, that is 7. So 7 plus 2 is 9, and here we got our answer. So from next index our answer is came. So that's how we find our answer, by two loops, and here answer is 3,7. They both are index, we got our answer. So thank you for watching my video. I'll stop this.